Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. The episode starts with Pratigya tell girl must be right because of her only Krishna is in this state. Before she come to this house, Krishna is living his life peacefully. So she has to leave now in order to give Krishna and her kids to have a peaceful and happy life. Adarsh comes and sit beside Pratigya and ask her what is she saying? Why she is giving up? It's a test from God for her and Krishna's love, and she has to fight for it. So she will come out of this situation. Pratigya tell Adarsh, he is right, but Gaurav and Kirti is not talking this too well. Adarsh tell kids are scared and neither they are happy before she enter the house. So she has to do all this for her kids. Also, she is the one who told him once when the truth is with them, they have to fight till the end. Instead of thinking about the time it consumes, Krishna woke up and recalled both Pratigya and Meera's fight, then start picking his things. Meera came to the room and asked, what is he doing? Sajan and Sumitra also comes and ask the same. Krishna tell that he is going to stay in another room unless he gets to know about the truth about his past. Mitra stopped Krishna and asked him, is this how Pratigya instigate him again his family, right? And asked him, how could he leave his wife in a room alone? Krishna stayed stubborn in his decision and leave the room. Meera asked Sajan to do something, saying if Krishna learned the truth, she will not be in his life. And without knowing the truth, Krishna does not want to be with her. Sajan asked Meera to not to worry, saying he has the key to what to do next. Mitra in their room tells Sajan that if he has the key about Krishna's past, then Pratigya also has. In fact, she has the truth with her and get worried about Sajan tell her that he is going to make Pratigya leave the house also from their life. Sumitra tell even she tried this so many times but nothing work out. Sajan tell this time everything will happen as per his wish. Pratigya goes to Krishna's room and sit on his bed and tell that she wish everything is like before, then it will be easy for them to live their life. She then talk about how they both are there for each other in their ups and downs and never let anyone come between them, then decide to leave the place. Krishna called Pratigya, who gets shocked and stops. Krishna asked Pratigya, what is she saying? She wants to know and asked her to explain, also question why she told him that they are already married. Pratigya tell that he is already so much stressed and doctor asked him to take rest. So asked him to do it, saying that she loved him, then leave the room. Krishna tell did not know why, but whatever Pratigya tell, he is feeling that she is saying the truth. During breakfast, Sajan asked Krishna to not to do the drama of being upset and tell that he fulfill all his wishes. Either it's to stay alone in a room or bring another woman in this house. Now he wants him to fulfill his mother Sumitra's one wish, which is that he has to take her to the puja and participate in it without any question, saying it's for his wish. Krishna agrees. Sajan tells in this puja only family members will participate, not any outsider. Krishna look at Pratigya and leave the place. Kirti goes out to take flowers. That time she overheard Sajan is asking one of his men to kill Pratigya when they leave the house. Sajan tells this man that it should not look like a planned murder, it should look like a robbery and asks not to leave any proof to get catched. This man agrees. Kirti thinks that she has to inform this to Pratigya, so she goes inside, but Sumitra stops her and asks Kirti to get inside the car. Pratigya sees Krishna is leaving his room and find the locked, so she decided to go and give it to him. Kirti tries to tell Kesar about Sajan's plan, but Sumitra asks Kirti to ride with them, so she goes to the car and look at Sajan and recall his word, then get worried. Pratigya came outside to give the locked, but everyone leaves, so she decides to give it to him once he returned. Krishna goes to the temple first. Kirti once again missed the chance to tell Kesar about Sajan's plan. Sajan tells priest to do the puja for his house peacefulness, also for Krishna's health. Priest agrees. Pratigya goes and talks to Krishna's picture. She tells that yesterday she confused her love for him, but he did not confess his feeling to her, but she know he loved her also, so soon he will realize it and confess her love like before. Pratigya smiles and tell that she cannot wait to hear this by saying that I love you too to her like the first time he confessed his love for her and smiles. Sajan men enter the house, but Pratigya failed to notice it. So that's it for today's episode. To know more about your favorite show, Man Ki Awaaz Pratigya Season 2, keep watching my channel. Thank you.